Hey birdies, welcome back. This is another reaction to the group RBD. And this is basically a live song that they're performing using the Lee's Complianos. So, concepto.
Algo especial te preparé, sé que te vas a sorprender. En este cumpleaños voy a intentar que sea el peor.
I love mascara. One thing I like about Christian, he's very expressive when he sings. There you go, Chris. High energy. Pick up my guitar. Yes. I really do live for the band. They're amazing. Is that Alfonso? This takes me back so... Hot Topic days in high school. That's so sweet. Oh, whoever's birthday is it right now by the time I post this video? Happy birthday to you. You're here. That was very cute. So I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this. That was so cute. Thank you for that. You guys made my day within 1 year of this pandemic. Starting this channel, you guys really made my day because I was bored, really bored. That's why I came back to YouTube. Yeah. Before the pandemic, it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, except watching 1 or 2 YouTubers. But like, if they would post something today, I will watch it like 3 months later. But now I'm on YouTube. It's like, let me just have it play in the background while I sleep. But you guys made my day. So thanks for that. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. Get to it as soon as possible. As always, looking to you besides you, I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much.